to DM Astrology. In the series of yearly prediction 2022, today we are going to see the second sign, Taurus. Taurus sign is ruled by the Venus, and it's a very live sign, very enjoyable sign. So let us see what will be going to happen to the Taurus sign. The last year 2021 entire year the Rahu was occupying the sign. Now those having the Taurus sign, they will get relief. By 13th of April 2022, the Rahu is moving from your sign to your 12th house. Not so benefit, but at least from the health prospect, from well-being, it is moving. So that will be a great news. Simultaneously, Ketu is also moving from your 7th house to your 6th house. Although it's not so welcome, but still better than the 7th house. The other planetary changes are there. A 9th house where your Saturn is there, it is coming to your 10th house. Till the April, end of April, the Saturn will be there in your 9th house, then it will come to your 10th house. And then again in the July 22, it will be again coming back in the retrogression mode from 10th house to 9th house. That is a movement of a Saturn, and obviously Saturn is a Yoga Karaka, it is a favorable planet. Whether it is in the 9th house or whether it is a 10th house, it will be useful for you only. So not to worry. Talking to the Jupiter, Jupiter is in your 10th house and then it will come to your 11th house. That is also bit positive for you. As in 10th house also it is creating good growth, and in 11th house also it will going to give you a good result. So almost all the planetary positions are positively moving. So entire year you will be having a enjoyable and good time than 2021. Now going one by one, we'll first see the health aspect. How will be your health aspect? So as I mentioned you, and the health wise, from your first house, the Rahu is moving to your 12th house. So that will be the bit relief that whatever the things are happening, sudden events, sudden downfall in the health, that will stop. And now you will be at least know the fact and reality about your health. As a shadow planet, Rahu is not disclosing what is real suffering. Now you will able to see that what will be the suffering. And all the health aspect, all the uncertainty, fear, insecurity about your health will now over. So bit relief for you related to the health. Related to the wealth, you will be not worried about the entire year, as a Jupiter is transiting 10th house and then after the 11th house. Both the placement of a Jupiter will be pleasant for your wealth aspect. So whatever the wealth is there, whatever the money you are expecting for the entire year, if you have made any budget for the year that I wish to have this much money or this much earning I wish to get, that you will be able to achieve. So put forth your financial growth for the year and you will be able to achieve that within the entire year. So wealth wise also you are secure and safe. Talking about the relationship, in the relationship also, if you are planning to improve some of your relation which is not working this year because of your own involvement, you can improve that in this year. So whatever the relation you wish to improve, you have targeted that I wish to connect with so many person, that you will be able to achieve by the time. So do focus on the relationship and you will be getting the good support, good response from the good new relationship you are going to establish. Related to the education, this is really a good time for your education, as the Jupiter in the 11th house, when it comes it will focus your 5th house, and in the 10th house Jupiter it is also benefit to your 4th house. So related to the education or higher education, if you are pursuing, this is the right time, this is a good time for you to get the good education support. So no hardship, and your target, whatever you have target about your education, that you will be able to achieve. So health education wise you are perfect. Just concentrate and focus about your target, you will be able to achieve your education goal. Related to the children, if you are planning for the children, this is a time for you when after the April, when Jupiter transit your 11th house, This is a time where you can plan the children, and you will get a good result by the end of the year. So entire 9 months from the April onward, it is a good time you can plan, or you can plan now also and get the result after the April. That will be also good. So related to the child, if you wish to have a child yoga this year, then you can start planning and get the pregnancy by any 2-3 months, so that by the end of the year you will be achieving your result. And if you are worried about your children education, children marriage, anything related to your children, that is also bit relief you will get after the April when Jupiter come to your 11th house. Those who are under the love affair and relationship, they will be also achieving good support and good response from their opposite person. So in love affair also, to initiate that, it is a time for you after the April onward. You can offer, you can do the planning for your love affair turn into the marriage. So that is also a good proposal time. Related to the disease, this is not so hard time for you to have any disease. Although the Ketu is coming in your 6th house, by April 2022, 13th April, it is coming to your 6th house, so you have to bit focus, because normally Ketu have no sense, so it will not give any of symptoms. So you may face a problem for which there will be no symptoms, so for that you may suffer. So more care has to be taken. Any past ailment is there, that has to be kept in the focus and to get repair from this. As Rahu in the 12th house is also a not good time for hospitalization and getting any remedy, so you have to be very conscious, and whenever you are taking any advice on diagnosis system, you should take a parallel second opinion so that it doesn't misfire. So that precaution you have to take about the disease and its cure. Related to job also, if you are planning to change the job or getting good promotion and satisfaction in the job, till April it's a good time, because after that when the Ketu will come to your 6th house, you will not able to get your desired position or desired job. So if you are planning for a job, it is the best time for you to plan and get the job in before April, so that you will not face any dryness after changing the job. So take the decision before April, so that you will be able to settle well in your new job, and that will be good for you. Okay, so that is to be kept in the mind, that you have to take call before April and to join the job, new job before that. If you are wishing for getting the promotion, that also to be communicated before April only, so that you will be able to get your desired increment or growth in your job, either a position wise or finance wise benefit. Those who are in the process of a marriage, those who are going to fix the marriage, this is a time for you to fix after April, because till the April it is Rahu in the 1st house and Ketu in the 7th house. So after April it is a good time that Ketu moves from your 7th house, so it will be bit relief. You will be able to communicate the right person, and you will get a good opportunity simultaneously. So this is a time for you to get a proposal, and you may finalize the proposal after the April. So those who are wishing for the marriage, they can plan after the April, they will success in that. And those who are already married and having some issue in the married life, they can also try to resolve their dispute, resolve their difference of opinion after the April, so that you will be able to communicate your spouse, and that matter will get solved amicably. That is more important, so that you have to keep in the focus and get the result accordingly. So that is very important for the marriage. Those who are planning for the foreign traveling or foreign settlement, this is a time for you, as Saturn is moving from your 9th house to 10th house and again coming to the 9th house. So between that window between April to July, it's a time to fix and to get the result. Otherwise it will further delay. If you are going for the job, you can go. If you are going for the education, this is a time you can take that opportunity and immediately you can transfer. And those who are wishing for the foreign settlement or waiting for the PR, this is a time slot between April to July. You'll get an option and opportunity, so that there won't be any further delay in that, and you will be able to achieve your foreign settlement permission. Okay, so for foreign settlement also, for foreign traveling also it is happening, and foreign settlement also it will be happening, but that particular period you have to take care and you have to take then option and opportunity. Those who are in the business and profession, the Jupiter will be there in the initial 4 months in your 10th house. That is a good time to grow any of a new business or to get a new clients in your profession. So if you are planning for expansion, planning for the new product, new business, new venture, it is time till the April you can make that arrangement, so that furthermore you will be getting the growth. And once the Saturn will come for the 3 months between April to July, it is a time there will be a slow movement, and once the Saturn will come back to 9th house, again it will expedite. So entire year overall you will be getting your business target and your profession wise it will be helpful. So do focus on your business and profession. It will going to work for you and going to give you a good client, good business, expansion in the business for entire year. Talking about the investment, this is a good time for you to invest before April 2022. After that, Rahu will come in your 12th house, may incur some losses, sudden expenses. So before that you should invest wherever you wish. No indication of speculation gain in this year. So not to go for the speculation, but you can go for the regular investment, long-term investment and systematic investment. So for the investment also, don't be hurry. Once the Rahu come in your 12th house, you should be having a patience, and after the verification, after the confirmation with the two people only you are going to invest, then you will not face any hardship. For expenses also, there might be a sudden expenses you may incur, so be ready for it and plan accordingly, so that you will not face the hardship suddenly. Because it may be, because Rahu in the 12th house may incline you to some expenses which is not been planned, which is not been focused, and that might be arise. So to avoid such a kind of a hardship, you need to have the focus and calculation over your expenses, so that it won't be a sudden expenditure or loss. Related to the remedy, entire year I'll be advising you to pray Lord Rahu. You can pray Lord Bhairava, you can pray Lord Shiva, so as to come out from the fear and anxiety. As a Rahu in 1st house and Rahu in the 12th house, it will be a good time for you to pray Lord Shiva and Bhairava. You may visit Shiva temple, Jyotirlinga, or any Bhairav temple, or Kal Bhairav, Batuk Bhairav Upasana is good for you. That will be a good remedy for you, so that you will get relief from it. If you are going to buy for any property, it is a good time for you. Till the Jupiter in the Aquarius, it is a good time. So initial 4 months will be good. And if you are going for the second hand resale property or expansion, repairing in your property, you can do entire year. Because Saturn will be in 4th house, then it will be 10th house, then it will be 9th house. So both the time is good for you for the property development. So for new purchase, initial 4 months is good, and thereafter if you wish only for the repairing expansion, it will be good. Related to the litigation, if some litigation is already ongoing, this is a time to settle down before April. Afterward, when Ketu comes in your 6th house, even though you wish to settle your dispute or in litigation, it won't happen, and you will not able to communicate to your opponent. So better, if you wish any settlement or any decision in your litigation or dispute, you should try prior to that, so that you will be able to get your result. Otherwise it will be delay and not getting your desired result. So in litigation, prompt decision must be there. For your spiritual journey, this is a good year. As the Ketu will helpful in the 7th house, it is also helpful in the 6th house, and Saturn in the 9th house to 10th house. either you will be involved in the religious work, spiritual work or social work. So all three aspects of the work, it will be good. You may be visiting so many pilgrims, so many temples, religious place for entire year. So Saturn will bless you with the spirituality as well as religious belief will be also strong simultaneously. And do involve yourself in all the social and charity work for entire year, as the Saturn and Jupiter both will be there in your 10th house. That impact is very good. For your social and friend circle, whatever the social is somewhat not working, you will start working you once the Jupiter will come in your 11th house. By April 22, the Jupiter will come to your 11th house, will open all your socials, gatherings, friends and enjoyment. So be ready for the social involvement, gathering, and you will be going to enjoy. So any picnic, any planning for the outing can be planned after the April, and you will be enjoy that. And the support from the social, support from the friend circle also expand by the time, so that it will be going to give you a good results. So related to the social friends, it will be a good year. Your religious belief also will be strong. Religious visit to the place, temple also will be very good during the Saturn transit in the 9th as well as 10th house. Those who are in the name fame industry or public life, those who are in the acting, cricketer or in the play, or those who are into the limelight industry or politics, they'll get good name fame and recognition throughout the year till the Jupiter here in 10th house or the Saturn will come in 10th house. You will be blessed with all the work you have done earlier, that will be paid you, and you will be get appreciation, and you will be getting the name fame and recognition what you are expecting. So related to name fame and recognition, you will be in the winning situation and going to get all your dues. No worries about the accident and mishap. It may be any apprehension or fear might be there, being the Rahu in the 12th house. You may be having any fear that this may happen, that may happen, but don't worry, nothing will happen. You have to be very calm and don't enter any negative thoughts in this. Meditation will also get you cure from unwanted thoughts, and during the hospitalization or any of your diagnosis in the disease, you should confirm with the two specialists so that it won't be misfire. So related to any diagnosis, any remedy which any doctor or any people advise you, you should confirm with the others so that it won't be any worries about you. So overall the year is promising for you, and not to worry about it. You will be getting positive result, especially about yourself. What you are not getting in 2021, it will be better for you. So for other information, you may contact me in the WhatsApp number given here, or for the consultation also you may contact me here. For more information, you can do in my website www.dmastrology.com, or follow me in my Facebook page Dharmesh Mehta. So thank you very much viewers. God bless you for entire year. Namaste.